If I were a bitch, yeah,
Alright, hi YouTube. Okay, so it's the next day and I've decided I want to start filming packages that I receive, especially when it's an exciting package, and so get my reaction and also just kind of a review for anybody else thinking about it. The same. Let's see, I don't think this is on.
Hold on, that's another package?
No. It's not another package.
Bro, really?
It's not.
Well, how many packages are you going to be buying?
But this one is old. I've been bought this one.
No, it's not.
It is.
Bro.
This one is old. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see me, but okay. So I'm on a fitness kick, fitness and health, and I want to, get summertime by, get a little bit more snatched. I've added a little bit. So it's unlike me, and I want to get back to my ideal weight. So this is the main frame, I guess. This is the main piece. It's called Caviation Slimming System. And then it has all these attachments. I think mine comes with 4. And it also has a manual telling you what each system does, or each attachment does, and what it's good for. Did you turn off the AC? It's hot. Should I try it out on camera? Let me try it out on camera. Bucket. Oh, it's hot. I need a fan downstairs. I don't know if you can see it. Everything is hooked up. And I'm going to test it out on myself. Okay. Focus for me, focus. Oh shit. I think I want to use the Caviation Head 40. This is this one. And I'm just gonna start low, I guess. Oh. I'm gonna use this off camera and let y'all know how it works or how it feels. Hi guys, so as you know, everything in this Tryon haul is from Shein. Everything in this Tryon haul is summer inspired, outings, brunches, date nights, or concerts, I guess. So the first outfit I'm wearing is a dress. I mean, I liked it at first, but when I actually tried it on, I didn't like how it really fit on the dress. I think it's gonna grow on me. I just have big old bitties, so it makes outfits a little bit more challenging. By the way, I didn't put outfits together. I just tried them on, and I think I'm just going to rate my outfits. So this particular outfit, I give a 7. It's a cute top. The jeans are obviously cute too. You're gonna see it with a lot of my tops because I didn't get that many pants. Okay, going right into the next outfit. It's similar to the last one. A black top with the same jeans. I'm going to rate this outfit another 7. As I create more videos, y'all will slowly get introduced to my madness and my goofiness, and I'm just allowing it to show a little bit here. But I'm also listening to Nigerian movies, which are my all-time favorite. But yeah, this outfit, I give it a solid 6. The top is just a casual top. It's not my favorite. I don't know what the handprints do for it, but it's all right. All right, so I finally introduced a new bottom piece from Shein. It's just a plain mini skirt. And this outfit I would not wear, but because it matched and it's like both going out outfits, I give this outfit like a 5, honestly. You know, I'm trying to dress a little bit more classier, but I always find myself in some hoe clothing somewhere. To the girlies that can relate, how do y'all wear outfits that need a bra, but you can't have the bra showing? Recently, I was kind of offended. A girl commented on my video and said, take off your bra. But I said, bitch, you can't relate because you have small titties. I have big titties. And if I don't wear this bra, I'm either going to look like a skank or my boobs are going to be flopping around everywhere. Give me some tips. on how to make outfits look good with big breasts. Ironically, the workout outfits are my favorite outfits of this Tryon haul. Shein really ate with the workout outfits. I will rate them a 10 out of 10 because of the affordability. I got this outfit in 2 different colors, and I'm definitely going to purchase more. This outfit, 5 out of 10. Specifically because the top doesn't fit the way I would like it. This outfit I would give an 8 out of 10. I actually like this pair together. And this outfit I would give a 9 out of 10 just because I love a cute long sleeve, especially one that fits well, just like this one. The right fit, the right length. Looks really cute on me. Okay, so that concludes my video today, and I hope you enjoyed my try-on haul. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.